Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, we are continuing our PHP admin panel for blogging website. Okay, so guys, now in this video we are going to start with the login system where the user will log in as per his role. So for example, if the user role is admin, then if he logs in, he will be able to access his dashboard. If the user logs in, his role is not as an admin, then he will be on the website itself. Okay, so guys, let's build this. So let's get back to our VS Code editor and let's close everything. Yep guys, so let's go to a login page and begin with form submit. Let's start with form tag where you are going to create a login now button where the name is equal to, for this will be login underscore button, and the input field name is equal to email, name is equal to password. All set. Now with the method of post we are going to submit the data. So we'll go to login code.php file. Okay, now guys, let's copy this file and create the file login code.php and begin. So you are going to use sessions over here. So let's start the session in the beginning and include your database connection, guys. So that's inside the admin folder, config folder, dbcon.php, admin /config /dbcon.php. All set. Let's begin with if else condition. Else over here, if anyone tries to come inside this file, you will tell them location : on login.php. You'll redirect him back again. Let's use exit function, and before this you can set a message to show that message you are not allowed access this file. Okay, so yep, now guys, we need to check the button is set or not with the help of post method. So what button you are going to check? The login code. So once you click on this login now, this button name you are going to check and move to code.php with the method of post by taking all these input fields. So let's move. Button is clicked. Let's take the email $_post method where copy and paste. This will be your variable password. So what are the input field name? Input, email and password. Okay, so this name attribute password, email and password. So type that email and the password I copied. Let me just paste. And now guys, you have to pass this in a MySQL real escape string function. So where you are going to give the database connection first and then your post. So same with the password also, database connection, and then all set. So now guys, let's write the code to execute the functionality. Let's tell login query is equal to select star from the table. So my table name is users. So we have 2 users registered in previous video. So yep, users, where email is equal to inside single quotes $email, I mean this variable. Okay, $email, and your column field password is equal to single quotes $password. So this email and password is nothing but your table column field, email and password. Let's get back, and we want at a time to be limit 1. And now guys, let's execute this query with the help of MySQL query function, your database connection, and then your login query. All set. Now guys, you need to check if the record exists or not. So you can just move with the MySQL number of rows is greater than 0. So what you're going to check, login query, it's greater than 0, else you can show the message as invalid email or password. All set, and back to login.php. Now guys, if the user is successfully logged in, like record exists, so at that time let's set the session whereas authenticated. So this means we will make it to true. That means you are logged in successfully, and we want the user's data like user's ID, name, and other fields also. Okay, so for that case guys, let's create one more session variable as authenticated user, where we will store the data in array format. So let's create that over here, user underscore ID, open bracket, where you will tell $user underscore ID. So from where are you getting this? You need to get from this variable. Let's loop this for each, open and close, as dollar data, where this dollar data you can, let's keep in user ID is equal to dollar data of your ID. Okay, and then your f name and L name. Let's keep this in one variable called user name, and let's concatenate this over here with the space. All set. And third one was the email. If you want, you can just show that. So what are the details? If you want, you can just display on email. And finally guys, one role. So what role you are going to check over here, role underscore as. Role underscore as. If the role is 0, then he will be a normal user. Role underscore as. All set. So yep, let's take this username, and we want this email, user email. And for this role guys, for that case we'll create a separate thing. So you can give authenticated role. Okay, so where you'll mention $role underscore as. So as with this help of session auth role you're going to check. And now guys, let's return and redirect. So how will you redirect to admin or a normal user? Like if the user role is 1, so user role 1 means admin. Okay, just imagine that. So let's give a comment, 1 is equal to admin and 0 is equal to common user. Okay, so now for that case guys, over here let's use if your auth role, your session of auth role is double equal to 1. So you can keep 1. Then you will redirect to which place? You'll tell welcome to dashboard, else if session is equal to 0, you can just show this as you are logged in. Okay, and you'll move back to on the home page itself, index.php. So guys, you just need to create one index.php that is already there for the home page and just display the message. So you can just over here, which we have created in the part 4 guys, where message.php file. So inside this message.php file, nothing, just a simple data should show guys. So we are using session, so just add the session start function. All set. Now let's go back to login code. So when your normal user auth role 0 logs in, just mention here 0 is equal to user and 1 is equal to admin guys. All set, and this will go to your path of admin. So just give admin index.php. All set. So yep, let's move. Now refresh. So guys, now let's log in as a normal user. I don't want to log in as an admin. Okay, so normal user is relo is 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's log in now. You can see, hey, you are logged in. Perfect. Who is logged in? We don't know. So for that, a simple code guys over here. Okay, so let's go to navbar guys, and on this drop down I want to show the username. So let's see that drop down. In this drop down I want to show the username guys. So yep, let's begin over here. So this is the drop down code and this is your login and register. Perfect. So guys, first step, we will start with PHP open and close, where you are going to set the if condition with the isSet function, where $_session. Done. So guys, over here at the session, you have to check what, when you're logging in, you want to check the authenticated user data. So let's take this session and go to your auth session. All set, where give colon and give PHP open, PHP close, else colon, and then copy this and you can tell and if. Okay, and this will be your semicolon guys. So this is another way of coding in PHP. So guys, once it is logged in, then you are going to show this drop down with the user data, else you will show this login and register. So guys, now let's print the name over here, PHP open, PHP close, where, or else let's use shortcut, is equal to where $session of user, where you want to show the username. So under this we have username. Let's copy this and just paste that. All set, and give semicolon guys. So now you will be able to see if the person is logged in. So let's get back. You can see guys that Om Prakash is logged in right now, and let's create the tab over here for this drop down. Let's remove these two things, where this will be my profile and the second one will be logout, logout.php. That's it guys. So we will see how to create a login logout system in next video with the authentication part. So let's refresh. Okay, so guys, now Om Prakash is logged in, but he can access the login.php page. So if you are already logged in, this page should not be accessible. So all these things we will see in authentication part in next video. Okay, so guys, let me just log in with ved@gmail.com, which his role is 1. I'll just show you. Role is 1, so 1 means is equal to admin, guys. So the password, let's copy, and once he logs in, he should be able to go to the admin dashboard. Okay, log in now. Perfect. So I am redirected to admin dashboard because he is a admin. So we will be seeing how to authenticate this. If the normal user also logs in, he will be able to access that. So authentication part is going to be done in next video, guys. So guys, in this video, that's it. We have successfully done the login system with user roles and permission. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.